Your marketing does not start online. It starts the second your technician walks to the front door. Homeowners make trust decisions in seconds, often before a single word is spoken. They notice the uniform, the cleanliness, the vehicle branding, and that professional appearance. Clean, branded uniform instantly signals credibility and builds immediate confidence. That trust makes it easier for them to approve repairs and accept your upgrades. It even makes them more likely to say yes to your maintenance plans. Remember, marketing is not just about your website and your SEO strategy. People are walking billboards for your brand every single day. Does your team currently wear branded uniforms and arrive in branded vehicles? Comment yes or no below. Homeowner is far more likely to approve a high-ticket recommendation from someone they trust. When you look professional, you look trustworthy, and that makes every upsell easier. The impact is clear: higher trust, better close rates, and a larger average ticket size. It leads to more referrals and a stronger reputation in your local community. The bottom line? Trust begins before the very first word is ever spoken. To improve your lead conversion strategy, visit digitalmarketingcoach.com to work with me directly. And grab my free home service trust building checklist at digitalmarketingcoach.com today.